Good day, ma'am. I am Adrian Bidita, basic team 2 from section 1. Major ethical challenges in hospitality in tourism industry. The Philippines as a popular tourist destination with a rich cultural heritage and diverse natural landscapes faces several ethical and stability issues in the tourism and hospitality industry. Here are some of major challenges. Over-tourism and environmental degradation. For example, Boracay Island in 2018, the Philippines government temporarily closed Boracay Island to tourism for 6 months to address severe environmental degradation, including untreated wastewater being dumped into the ocean, garbage, accumulation and damage to coral reefs. Boracay, once pristine to tropical paradise, become overcrowded with tourists and illegal construction.